I think Barbara Stone wanted to speak. Thank you, Barbara. I think Barbara came all the way up from Miami.
Okay, I know all of you know that this law is illegal, and so now I'm going to make it really clear to all of you why this law is illegal. And then I'd like some material. I'd like to pass out, excuse me, I'd like to pass out some materials. And excuse me, Senator Garcia, I came to your office several times, and I was sloughed off to somebody that you probably don't even know who they were. And I made this presentation, and I asked to speak to you, and I wasn't scheduled.
Forgive me, that seldom happens. I'm probably one of the most accessible senators here. And the only thing that I can recommend to you is that if you want to convey your message, I understand your passion, but I think that you can do it without instigating, without insulting, without making accusations.
No, we're
so I'd really like us to keep close to the bill.
Okay.
Like yourself, I am very passionate about causes like this.
Okay,
so let's just stay on the bill.
Can I please speak? Yes.
You have
the
2 minutes.
Laws are illegal.
You have 2 minutes.
But why?
You have 2 minutes.
Okay, well, I'm going to tell you why the laws are illegal. Because under the Declaration, excuse me, could you please give me the courtesy of listening? Under the Declaration of Independence, the law, our rights are inalienable, and they were endowed by the Creator. So the government didn't give us these human rights. The Creator gave us these rights.
And nobody fights for it more than I do.
No, but they're inalienable, so you can't take them from us. So how? Now, the Constitution says that these rights are inalienable, and the states are subservient to the sovereign Constitution. So you can argue with me all day long because I know that you all love having these illegal rights taken away from us because this is human trafficking. My mother was human trafficked because of your bills. So you are all, and you know it, you're all accomplices to the murder of my mother, and by keeping these bills on the books, this is a continuing criminal enterprise. So the laws are illegal. What's going on in guardianship is considered crimes against humanity under international laws. So what we brought up here today is a statement for you to remove Florida guardianship 744, which is null and void on its face because it strips inalienable rights endowed by the Creator under the Declaration of Independence. So these laws have to be taken off the books. They're illegal on their face, they're void on their face, and they need to be repealed from the books. Now, there's a whole host of international laws that were enacted by the UN that tell us that our rights were derived from human dignity. They're not derived from government. And so, again, same simple fact. Laws, illegal, inalienable rights cannot be stripped. The laws are null and void. And I'd like to pass out to all of you a statement of exactly what I said with the statement that these laws, 744, are null and void, and they have to be removed from the books. And if they're not, under 21 U.S.C. 848, you're carrying on a continuing criminal enterprise.
Thank you very much, Barbara. I want to go ahead and hand it to one of these sergeants. Thank you very much. And